One of the most important things when out flying your drone is confidence. One issue many drone users worry about is people approaching them or even confrontation when they're flying their drone. Something we've created here at Geeksvana to help people with their confidence is a set of leaflets to be handed out to anyone who is approaching your drone flight. So far, our leaflets have been downloaded tens of thousands of times and even appeared in some interesting videos online showing the leaflets helping to reduce confrontation. Please do not worry though, these leaflets are created for your confidence, and the chances of people approaching you when you're flying your drone is actually still pretty rare. You might find that if you're flying in towns or at a historic building, etc., then the chances of people approaching you is higher, but confrontation is thankfully still pretty rare. It always helps your confidence to be prepared, and that is where the Geeksvana handouts come in. With the new drone rules here in the UK for 2026, we've updated the designs to provide you with leaflets focused on the newly renamed airspace subcategories, as well as some special use cases. Everything from A1 airspace to FPV is covered. We have also created a special leaflet to hand out to approaching police officers. And that particular leaflet was produced in collaboration with the National Police Chiefs Council. Let's take a look at the new design for the A1 airspace category, and you'll start to see the uses for them. So as you can see at the top, it explains the type of flight. Then the header uses a little bit of color psychology with the green tick and the line that this flight is legal, really trying to build that image in the approaching person's mind. Below that, each leaflet has a short paragraph explaining the very basics of the new rules, but also focuses on the fact that the new rules allow for more freedom, so therefore trying to cool any temperatures of the person approaching you. The safety notice section explains you need to stay focused on the flight, and it also provides a quick checklist of things that are in place if required. Again, looking to get the info across quickly and in a format that non-drone users hopefully understand. Also, people tend to like things on things like leaflets, handouts, etc., rather than somebody telling them something, etc. I suppose it's more plausible in some ways. Each of the leaflets then have a specialist box at the bottom to give more information on that particular type of drone flight. Here on the A1 leaflet, it shows the sub 250 gram or class mark drones can be flown over people in congested areas. At the bottom, we have the return of the QR codes. These take people to the CAA drone code, the NAT drone FRZ map, and the Geeksvana UK drone rules video. The leaflets are A5 size and available in both colour and monochrome versions from our free downloads page at geeksvana.com/downloads. Channel members can also get these keyrings, which have the little QR code on there for those that prefer to either send the person directly to a digital leaflet without needing to print them off, or if you want to take your original one back and give them a digital copy once you've landed, etc. Members can get these via the community tab post on this particular topic. Handy little thing to put on your keyring. Let me know in the comments if you've used our leaflets before or if you're downloading them for the first time. One thing I would ask, if you don't mind, is that if you are kind enough to share the leaflets, please link to this video rather than the leaflet links, as obviously that helps the channel and sends new people our way too. I hope the leaflets help you and you like the refreshed design. Sean out.